Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G32, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing settings. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Now tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Finally, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are available over here. In order to manage them, just click on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!